Welcome! Today we're making homemade pistachio ice cream without the need for a churn. Here's how you can create this creamy, nutty delight in your own kitchen. Let's get started. Alright, let's go over the ingredients for our pistachio ice cream. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to give our ice cream its creamy and airy texture. 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. This adds sweetness and helps keep the ice cream smooth and scoopable. 1/2 cup of whole milk. 1/2 cup of pistachio paste. This gives our ice cream that rich, nutty pistachio flavor. If you don't have pistachio paste, you can make it by blending shelled pistachios until smooth. 1/2 cup of shelled, unsalted pistachios, chopped. These add a delightful crunch to our ice cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And lastly, a pinch of salt. First, let's prepare the pistachio paste. If you don't have ready-made pistachio paste, no worries. You can make it easily at home. Take 1 cup of shelled, unsalted pistachios and place them in a food processor. Blend them on high until you get a smooth paste. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. To help achieve a smoother consistency, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil while blending. Keep blending until the paste is nice and smooth. Now, let's whip the cream. In a large mixing bowl, pour 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Using an electric mixer, start whipping the cream on high speed. We're aiming for stiff peaks, which should take about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the cream holds its shape and doesn't fold back into itself when you lift the beaters. Once you reach stiff peaks, set the whipped cream aside. Next, let's mix the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of pistachio paste, which we prepared earlier, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Use a whisk to blend everything together until it's smooth and well incorporated. This mixture will give our ice cream its sweet, nutty flavor with a hint of vanilla. Make sure to mix thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are evenly combined. Now, let's fold the mixtures together. Take the whipped cream we prepared earlier and gently add about 1/3 of it into the pistachio mixture we just mixed. Use a spatula or a large spoon to fold the whipped cream into the pistachio mixture. Folding means gently turning the mixture over itself, incorporating the whipped cream without deflating it. This helps maintain that airy and light texture we want in our ice cream. Continue adding the whipped cream in batches, folding gently after each addition until all of the whipped cream is fully incorporated into the pistachio mixture. Next, let's add the chopped pistachios. Now that our ice cream mixture is smooth and well combined from folding in the whipped cream, it's time to add some extra crunch and flavor. Take 1/2 cup of shelled, unsalted pistachios, which we've chopped earlier. Gently fold these chopped pistachios into the ice cream mixture. This step not only adds a delightful crunch, but also enhances the pistachio flavor throughout the ice cream. Make sure the pistachios are evenly distributed. Finally, let's transfer our pistachio ice cream mixture into a container and freeze it. Pour the smooth ice cream mixture we've prepared into a loaf pan or any freezer-safe container. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly. Next, cover the container with plastic wrap or a lid to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer. Let the ice cream freeze for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until it becomes firm and scoopable. Once the ice cream is fully set, it's time to serve. Scoop the delicious pistachio ice cream into bowls or cones and enjoy the creamy, nutty goodness. And lastly, here are some tips for perfect pistachio ice cream. Whipping the cream. Make sure your bowl and beaters are cold before whipping the cream. This helps in achieving stiff peaks more efficiently. Folding. Use a gentle folding motion to combine the whipped cream with the pistachio mixture to avoid deflating the cream. This ensures your ice cream remains light and airy. Pistachio paste. Ensure your pistachio paste is smooth for a creamy texture. If your paste is too thick, you can add a little bit of whole milk to thin it out. Freezing. For a smoother texture, you can stir the ice cream mixture every 2 hours during the first 4 hours of freezing. This helps break up ice crystals, although it's not mandatory. Serving. Let the ice cream sit at room temperature for a few minutes before scooping. This makes it easier to scoop and enhances the flavor. Enjoy your homemade pistachio ice cream.